Welcome to the NDC Channel. There's a saying, be smart, not just tough. Many people think working hard is the only way to succeed. But in reality, working smart is what really makes a difference. Today's story will show us how combining hard work with good planning can lead to success. So, stay with us till the end for this inspiring tale. A few days ago, in a busy little town, there lived a young man named Ben, aged 25. He worked at a local corner shop and had been doing the job for 5 years. Over time, he became quite skilled and reliable. For the past 3 years, Ben had been saving his wages. But no matter how much he put aside, it felt like his money was growing far too slowly. Ben thought to himself, how can I make my money grow without working forever? Since his shop hours were long, a second job wasn't an option. But on his day off, he decided to visit Mr. Johnson, a wealthy man from a nearby village. Known for his success in business, Mr. Johnson had built a comfortable life without working himself to the bone. When Ben arrived, he found Mr. Johnson sitting under a tree, enjoying a cuppa. Despite having plenty of money, he looked relaxed. His investments worked for him, something Ben was keen to learn about. After greeting him politely, Ben shared his worries and asked how he could make his money grow. With a warm smile, Mr. Johnson nodded. It's good that you're thinking this way, Ben. Passive income is a key, and it's not just about having loads of cash to invest. Even a little bit can work wonders if used wisely. If you can manage £1,000 well, imagine what you could do with more. Ben leaned in eagerly. The first step, said Mr. Johnson, is simple. Save as much as you can. But don't rush to take loans. It's best to grow your money gradually. Building savings, even if it takes time, will always be safer. I get that, Ben replied. And once I've saved enough, what's next? Next, Mr. Johnson continued, be careful with your spending. Don't splash out on flashy phones, cars, or other luxuries unless you truly need them. Those things lose value quickly, and when your income is limited, keeping up with them can become a struggle. Instead, use that money to create something that earns you more. Ben nodded thoughtfully. He had always dreamed of getting a fancy car, but this advice made him reconsider. That makes sense, Mr. Johnson. If I spend all my money now, I won't have anything left to invest. Exactly, Mr. Johnson said with a grin. Now for step 3, find opportunities. Look around your town, check online, and keep an open mind. You'd be surprised how many people are making money through simple ideas. Some rent out spare rooms, others run local delivery services. Take a moment to spot what your town needs. Ben was amazed. I never realized there were so many options right under my nose. They're everywhere, said Mr. Johnson. You just have to notice them. Then comes step 4, take action. Start small with what you have. You'll make mistakes, and that's fine. Each mistake is a lesson that makes you wiser. The key is to learn and keep going. Ben felt a new spark of motivation. That's really helpful. So, after I start, what do I do next? Good question, said Mr. Johnson. Step 5 is reinvesting. Once your side income grows, put the extra money back into your idea to expand. Think of it like planting seeds. The more you grow, the bigger your returns will be. And what then? Ben asked. That's when step 6 comes in, diversification. Never rely on just one income stream. Once your first one is stable, find another opportunity. This way, if one source slows down, you'll still have others keeping you afloat. Ben nodded, feeling more confident. You're right. Having multiple sources sounds like a smart move. Exactly, said Mr. Johnson. Finally, step 7, patience, consistency, and adaptability. Building passive income isn't instant. Some ideas will take time. Don't lose hope if you don't see results straight away. Stay focused, learn, and be ready to adjust your plans when needed. With these words, Mr. Johnson wrapped up his advice. Ben returned home with a clear mind and a determined heart, ready to make his money work for him. And there you have it. Today's story showed us how working smarter, not just harder, can open up new opportunities. Remember, money management is a skill. With careful planning, patience, and a little courage, success can be yours too. If this story inspired you, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your friends. We'll see you soon in the next video. Until then, take care and goodbye. Are you ready to take control of your financial future? If you're serious about transforming your financial life, we got a proven blueprint that thousands have already used to achieve financial freedom. Check the comment or description for the blueprint link and start your journey to financial success today. Thanks for watching.